everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a household empties to share with you guys. Let's just jump right in. I have a couple Reynolds wrap foils to share with you. This one is 15 square feet, and this stuff is great. I mean, it doesn't rip easily. It's very strong and sturdy. Great for leftovers, lining pans. I love this stuff. Same with because I always prefer the pre-cut sheets. I found these at DollarTree. This was DollarTree as well, so $1.25. 25 sheets in here, which I think is a great deal for $1.25, and it's name brand. Can't go wrong there. Highly recommend that. These Surefresh heavy duty freezer quart size bags. You get 15 in here. They have the double zipper. I really like these. I always buy large packs of bulk meat, and then I will divvy them down when I get them home and make several different individual portioned out meal baggies, technically. So I love these. Now those were from DollarTree, $1.25. And these tall kitchen bags are from Walmart, and they are the 13-gallon handle bags. I love handle bags. I believe these are upwards of almost $2. 10 of these, which isn't the greatest deal considering you can get 10 handle bags at the Dollar Tree, and they're scented like vanilla. Those are my favorite, but I can't always find them. These are fantastic alternative though. Really nice. They don't rip easily, and they hold a lot. And I have a Renuzit Snuggle Super Fresh Spring Burst. This is an air freshener. These are great. They're the solid gel air fresheners, and these are great for small spaces. I only buy these for the bathroom, and they come in lots of different scents, and for $1.25 you can't beat it. They smell wonderful. A couple paper products. I have the Dollar Tree brand napkins, and they say they're strong and absorbent. There's 150 in here. I use this a lot for nail art or cleaning up messes, to put a sandwich on. There's lots of different uses for a napkin, to wipe your mouth. 150 for $1.25 I think is a good deal. They do tear easily though, but that aside, $1.25 for 150, that's still a good deal. The paper towels, custom size, and 140 count. I always buy this one. I prefer this one over the 100 count. I like that you can choose your size. And I also had some bath tissue, but I always talk about that in every video, so I just went ahead and throw those away. But the bath tissue from Dollar Tree isn't bad at all. Couple more kitchen items. I got the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength Dish Liquid, and this is a 32.5 fluid ounce bottle. It's the big one. This is the one I pick up at Walmart, and totally worth it. You can get this in an 8 fluid ounce size at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Not the greatest deal, but this stuff is amazing. Maybe you want to pick it up and try it. It cuts grease so quickly. It's amazing. And then I also have the Santa Fe Wipes antibacterial wipes. There was an 80 count in here, and these were great for disinfecting all that stuff that you would want to. Great quality wipes. Moving on to laundry items, I have a Breezy fabric sheet 55 count in the Sun Sky Fresh. This was a nice scent, not my favorite, but 55 for $1.25 I think is a good deal for fabric sheets if you still buy them. The Swaddle Complete, there's only 18 in here. Not the greatest deal for $1.25, but the scent is lavender, and these are great. I love these. Really highly scented ones anyways. And Swaddle, I begin to really like this brand. And the In-Wash Fragrant Booster, this is the scent booster in Fresh Scent from Dollar Tree. I love this stuff. I hate that they changed the size and we get a smaller size, but overall at $1.25 these are great. I usually use 1 to 2 capfuls per load, and this scent lasts a long time on the clothes. I did a full review on this, so check the cards out for Dollar Tree playlist. And the Swaddle Complete, this is like, it has stain shield softener with it. It has freshness, color protection. It even does wrinkles, and I love the scents. My favorite is Waterfall Mist. I love this scent. It's great. Highly recommend this from the Dollar Tree. an extra laundry detergent plus OxyClean with the stain fighters. You can find this at Dollar General. You can find this at Walmart. You might be even able to find small bottles of this at the Dollar Tree. This does 36 loads and it's in the Crystal Clean scent. This smells great, performed great. I would buy it again in the future. I just have this because I didn't have my stuff from the Dollar Tree or Walmart. So this is great. And last and final item I have to share with you guys is from the Great Value brand, and it's the Ultimate Fresh laundry packs. There's 35 in here, and these are $6 to $7 at Walmart, and they smell great. They come in 2 different scents. I usually get the lavender. They work, they perform, they get our clothes clean, they smell good, and I have no complaints about them. I'll continue to purchase them in the future. So that was my household empties for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the reviews helpful. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you guys so very much for watching.